Hello, this is Clint Hoffman here at InfoComm 2013, Vice President of Marketing for Kramer Electronics US. And I want to talk to you a little bit about the 840Hxl. This is an extremely important product in the world that we live in the Pro AV industry these days. With the conversion from analog to digital signal routing, we find that in many installations and many designs, there's trouble. And we don't necessarily have the ability to identify readily where the problem lies. Well, the 840Hxl is the ultimate tool to help you with that. It's extremely value oriented and it's very versatile. You can anybody who's doing an HDMI system or a digital system these days should have test equipment. And test equipment it can be very expensive and sometimes it's extremely necessary. But this device, the 840Hxl, will give you probably about 80% of the most important things you need at an extremely reasonable price. So this is a very important product. And some of the key features of this device that make it so valuable is that you can turn HDCP on and off. When you're testing a system to find out why it may not be working and it's an HDCP issue, this can be invaluable. You can also change your color depth and choose what output color depth you want, because if you're having a deep color problem in your system, you might be able to identify that easily with the 840Hxl as well. You can also change your audio bit depth. You can also change your audio sampling rate. And you can choose your color space. So all of these variables that go into figuring out how to troubleshoot a digital system, the 840Hxl gives you at an extremely attractive price point. But perhaps most important of all, we do have preset resolutions in the unit, but we also have this output native resolution choice. When you select the output native resolution choice, which this device offers you, as well as some custom outputs as well, but if you select output native resolution, you're going to be making sure that you're giving the display device exactly what it's going to get when you're not testing. You can go in with a test generator and send 1080p and say, okay, it works. But then you can hook up the system and the laptop outputs something else, and you're saying, well, why is it not working? You don't realize that it's not the same signal you've just tested with. You have to test with the real world resolution that the system is going to be working with, and this allows you to do that. So the 840Hxl, very compact, very cost effective, very important tool for today's Pro AV installers and designers.